Want to start trading Forex but feel overwhelmed? You see the charts, the numbers, the jargon. It can be confusing, but it doesn't have to be. We're breaking down the 5 essential tips every single beginner needs to know. Tip 1. Understand the basics. Before you trade, you must learn the language. What is Forex? It's the global market for exchanging currencies. You're speculating on the value of one currency against another. For example, will the euro get stronger or weaker versus the dollar? Learn these 3 terms: pip, lot size, and leverage. These are the absolute building blocks of every trade. Tip 2. Start with a demo account. This is non-negotiable. Do not trade real money until you've done this. A demo account lets you trade with virtual money in real, live market conditions. It's like a flight simulator for traders. Use this time to test your strategies, learn the platform's buttons, and see how the market moves, all without risking a single dollar. Tip 3. Develop a trading plan. Trading without a plan is just gambling. Your plan is your set of rules. Your plan must define exactly what signals you need to see to enter a trade and exactly what signals you need to exit. Write it down and stick to it. This plan is your boss. It removes emotions and keeps you disciplined. Tip 4. Master your risk. This is what separates traders who last from those who don't. The #1 rule is to never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total account on a single trade. If you have $1,000, your max loss is $10 to $20. Use a stop-loss order on every single trade. This is your safety net. It automatically closes your trade at a price you set, preventing catastrophic losses. You should also know your take-profit target to lock in your gains when your goal is hit. Tip 5. Control your emotions. The market is designed to trigger 2 things: fear and greed. After a loss, you'll feel tempted to revenge trade, placing a bigger, riskier trade to win it back. This is a fast track to zero. Stay calm. Trust your plan. Accept that losses are part of the game. Treat trading like a serious business, not a casino.
Trading Forex is a marathon, not a sprint. Start with these tips and you'll be building a strong foundation for success. For more in-depth guides and strategies, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.